On to a future with more reliable image quality. RICOH fi-8190 series, succeeding the popular fi-7160 with better and reliable image quality and performance. Get more done in less time with high volume, high-speed scanning and stable paper feeding. Scan a range of documents easily and with less fuss. Even with its small footprint, the fi-8190 comes equipped with a large capacity tray which holds up to 100 sheets at a time, reducing the time spent on paper preparation. The world's first automatic separation control function switches the separation torque to the optimum level according to the load of paper for reliable batch scanning. The stacker supporter keeps your documents in order, reducing time and effort on post-scan organization. A much more advanced document protection function ensures a better and secure scanning experience. ISOP detects abnormal noise from skewed or stapled documents to prevent paper jams. And image monitoring performs checks on documents for skews in real time. With the two cutting-edge technologies combined, paper protection has scaled new levels of accuracy. Manual feed mode allows scanning of a wide range of documents, such as duplicate copies, bifolded A3 documents, and passports or booklets of thicknesses up to 7 millimeters can be scanned as is without the need for carrier sheets. The multi-feed detection function that prevents double feed of documents has further evolved. The ultrasonic sensor correctly identifies thick plastic cards and documents with attachments. Scanning stops when multi-feeds are detected. Boost the efficiency of counter operations and workflow processes. PFU Clear Image Capture combines the new contact image sensor with the GI image processing engine to realize excellent images without color shifts. The color LCD panel is designed for stress-free operation. The scanner also supports wired LAN connectivity to allow scanning from smart devices or thin client terminals. Use a post and printer option for information indexing on the back of documents after scan to simplify compilation and verification processes. In addition, the PaperStream Series software portfolio allows maximization of the benefits that FI Series professional scanners have to offer. The fi-8190 series, a device crafting high productivity and reliability to provide an innovative scanning experience in a compact design. Work faster and more comfortably. On to a future with more reliable image quality.